Hey there, welcome back to another video of GTK Forex Beginner's Guide. This video is about how people make money from trading. You've probably heard stories about people making money from their phones, buying and selling stuff called assets. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Buy low, sell high. It's a classic method. Now imagine that you've bought gold at 1800 and gold rises in price to 1850 and you sell it. You've clearly made $50 of profit right there. This is called going long or buying low, selling high. It's like buying a phone at discount price and then selling it at full price afterwards. Same logic. Sell high, buy low. Yes, you can make money when price falls. Traders can also make money when the price drops. Let's say that gold's price at 1850 right now, and then you think it's going to fall and you sell it beforehand. And then when it drops to 1800, you buy it back. You've just made $50 profit. It's called short selling, earning money from falling market. Leverage. Trading with borrowed power. Let's say you have $100, but with leverage, you can trade as if you have $1,000. If your trade goes in your favor, your profits are multiplied. But warning, it works both ways. If a trade goes wrong, your losses are also bigger. That's why smart traders always use risk management. Pips and profit. Every tiny move in price is measured in pips. Let's say you, let's say gold moves from 1800 to 1850. That's a 50 pips move. And each dollar you've invested $1, sorry, each pip you've invested $1, that's a $50 move that you've just caught for yourself. Traders make money by catching these moves at the right time. Tools to lock in profits. Take profit and stop loss. Take profit, also known as TP, is an automatically a tool which allows you to automatically close the trade when the profit is reached. SL, which is also called stop loss, is to exit the trade if it goes the wrong way. Good traders don't stare at screens all day. They use tools like this. This keeps emotions out and profits in. The real secret, consistency, not luck. People don't get rich by guessing. They study the market, make a plan, manage risk, and stay consistent. Some days are wins, some days are losses, but the goal is long-term growth. So yes, you can make money from trading, but it's not magic, it's a skill. Learn it, master it, and you'll be ahead of the game. So that was all about this topic, guys. I hope this made sense. I'll see you guys in the next video.